Good evening to all and very warm welcome to Turkey and Namaste. I am Sunita Tatwal, Assistant Director from Federation of Indian Export Organizations. Uh, it is called FIEO. It's set up by Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. We are here to organize with CNR Expo with 25 Indian companies dealing in construction, engineering, food, textile, medical, and so many sectors. And we are very happy that we are here to explore this market and explore the African countries. We have good business meetings with the African buyers with the help of CNR Expo, and we are really grateful to CNN Expo that we may explore good contacts and business opportunities in near future also. Uh, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has already target export target USD 400 billion for the next years. And in all the Indian international markets, we are tapping up. FIO is organizing around 40 Indian exhibitions around a year, and we are already tapped in European markets. But this time, this is our first edition in Turkey, Istanbul, and we are happy that and hopeful that our Indian companies are really getting good business, and we will again come to Istanbul for our with our Indian companies in all the sectors. Maybe because this is the export hub for the Indian companies, all African countries are seeking their interest in Indian companies. And I saw here that some of my Indian companies have already got really good business, and we are thankful to CNR that they have already arranged some B2B meetings. Maybe we are here from 2 to 4 December here. 3 days they will get more business here. And as I said, FIO is a Apex State Promotion Body of Ministry of Commerce. We are already giving the platform to Indian companies to opening the e-stores. And this is the first time in Istanbul. I am happy that our Indian companies will get good business. I will see more opportunities in Istanbul. Our CG's Consulate General Office is very cooperative with us. They have already shared the details of associations with us, and we have already invited the associations from Turkish. Turkish buyers are here. They will definitely get good business with Indian and Turkish companies also. And maybe next year we will see more exhibitions in Istanbul in separate sectors: food, pharmaceutical, engineering, and constructions also. Thank you so much. Sorry. Indian economic situation is very good. As I said, our target is to achieve 400 USD billion in near future, because India is already in all international markets, and we have really good setup in CIS countries and European countries, Russian countries. So many countries are have already tied with the Indian exhibitors. We are in all sectors. As I said, FIO is the multi-sector companies. We have around 40,000 members all over India. We have 17 offices in India, and we are in engineering, pharmaceutical, handicrafts, textile, food, health, medicine. All sectors are covering in this our country. We have really good contacts with India and Turkey, and uh, hopeful to good bilateral relations in near future also. Because as I discussed today, I saw where CG was discussing with Indian companies. So many companies are already doing business in Turkey.